So here we start another video on Accenture's math practice questions, or you can the quantitative aptitude practice questions. This is the second video on it. Okay, so the first question is of analytics, statics, or you can say anywhere anything you want to say. Okay, so this is the question. Out of 727, okay, the 7 to 7 members of a club, 600 decided to favor of cricket, while 173 decided to favor of cricket, while the 170 decided favor of cricket and hockey. Okay, so yes, okay, no problem. We first be total. Okay, total is equal to 7 to 7, 7 to 7, and this is a union B also. So this question is of set theory basically. So set theory, this question basically. So you can say that 7 to 7 is union also. Okay, no problem. Now the another thing what they say, 600 decided to favor in cricket. Okay, so cr- sorry, what cricket? Oh, what they make it little bit long. So 600. Okay, and while the cricket plus hockey. Okay, so cricket, and I will denoting cricket with C plus hockey. So you can say this is the intersection they had shown us. Cricket plus hockey. So H is equal to intersection. Intersection is 173. The intersection is something which comes in a both part, like the student who play cricket also and hockey also. So they are intersect with each other. So we call them as an intersection. And the 173 students are those who playing both games, in cricket also and hockey also. Okay, each member gave his opinion about at least one of the two games. So each member gives his opinion about at least one of the two games. Okay. So we have total, we have cricket, and we have hockey. So how many of them decided to favor of hockey? So the answer is already in the screen is 300. But how it is 300? Let me see. Okay, so that's here. So what the formula says, A union, oh sorry, A union V. Union is what? The at least the if the when the union is something which is the person comes at least in a one case. Yeah, it comes in a both case, but if any student comes in a both case, like the student live love cricket also and hockey also, then we count that student only in one condition, on a cricket part, or in a hockey part. Okay, no, we not consider and we not count that student two times, like one in cricket also, one in on you only the student count only one times in cricket or in a hockey. Okay, so that's why union is the total student. I considered it not only all time that condition, but according to the question, in this case, union is the total number of student. Okay, union and the A plus V. So here we consider A as a cricket and B as a hockey. So here also A as a cricket and B as a hockey, and here also the same thing I have to done, and subtract the if you count the student who likes cricket, and if you then you count the student who like hockey. Now the student who count both, who loves both games, they count two times, because one in cricket and second time in football, in hockey. So we have to subtract them one time. from because they are counting two times, so we have to subtract it one time. And how much and who they are? They are the intersection student who are intersect, who are loves both the games. I already tell about that intersection. Intersection is those who loves both the game. So when we subtract intersections, it means we subtract uh, the student one times because they are counting two times. Okay, so C intersection F. So now we have to just present the number all there also. So 7 equal to C is what 600. So 600 and then plus that we don't know. So as we write the only and the third one is like intersection is 173. So when you solve this, you got the answer. Okay, simple. So when we solve this, so what we get the answer, we have to make f on this side. Okay, and everything we have to change the side. So 727 minus 600 plus because 173 in the side, so it will be on plus. So this, so what we if you subtract 600 from 720, so 700 127 plus 173. So the answer is already had we know, and I confirm also that 300 is the answer. So 300 student who decided to favor of goal. No, okay. Now, how many of them decided in favor of only hockey? Now, only hockey. How we can know that? Suppose in 600, some students are those also who love hockey and cricket both. We know that, and that number is 173. Who loves both? Just we have to simply we subtract 173 from this 300. We get answer 127, and that is the only student who loves only or whose only favor of hockey. Uh, okay, so let's do Kalokoy. I will write here the favor of only what? Sorry, only hockey. Yeah. So how much? 300 minus 173. So answer we get is nothing but the answer we get is 127. Okay. So the question is done and the answer is correct. So now we try to do second question. Okay. So I think this is our second question. So it's so this is the second question. Okay, during a game flow high. Now one another way also to solve this type of question are on based on set theory is a Venn diagram. Okay, so this question we try to solve with the help of Venn diagram, and the similar method you can use in this question also. Okay, so now what is the question? The during a game flow held in a school, 40 students play games 167 plays game 2, and so just make the Venn diagram. Yeah, here I make this is one. Okay, no, sorry, no. this is okay. Oh, sorry, I have not practice of it, so because of that problem comes. Okay, I can do that in that way also, but no problem. Okay, so this is the Venn diagram because I don't know why I write during this game of the showing game one, game two, game three, and other no, only three games are there. Okay, now we have to just make little bit large it, make it so that I easily donate everything. Okay, now during the game, the 40 student plays game one. So consider. So let me consider this is the game one. So the number of student 40. Okay, okay. Here I write uh, Z1. Okay, it's good to show the game one. Sorry, game one. Yeah, and here I write G2. Okay, and here I write Z3. Okay, so 40 student. Okay, now the 67 plus game 2. So here I write 67. Okay, now this 46 plays game 3. So 46. Okay, now what they are saying, 8 student plays game 1 and 3. So 1 game and 3 game is this. So what 8? So 8 is there. Okay. Now this region is showing that the student who's playing both games. Both games. Okay. 8 plays the game and 8 student. Okay. The 26 student played game 1 and 2. So here this region showing the student who playing both the games 1 and 2. Okay. Now the 28 student plays the game 2 and 3. Okay. So this region for 2 and 3 28. Okay. Now the student plays game 2 and 3. Two student plays all the games. So now you can see that this region comes in a all portion. This part comes in a all portion. So as we see, so you can now and from this diagram you can easily say that how the distribution of student happens. Okay. So how many students played the game 1 but not game 2 and 3? So from here you can see that. Okay. Total 40 students who played game 1, but out of the total, some student played 26 student played game 2 also with the game 1, so 26. Now 8 student also played game 1 with game 3 with game 1, so it is 8. Okay, and some student who played all the games. Okay. Now, why I am subtracting this? I am subtracting two from this all because the student who plays all the game, they count on this also and they count on this also. The two student they count on this numbers also, they count on this numbers also because this is the record who plays these two games together, not two games. These are the numbers who play game 1 and game 2. So now if they play all the three games, so obviously they also played these two games also. So they count on them also. So I need to subtract them and then I do the solution. So it is nothing but 8. Okay. And you can see that the answer. Okay. Now the second. Again, how many student played game 3 but not game 1 and 2? So 3 is 46. Total student played game 3 stood 46 minus what? Minus the intersection of both what 1 and 2. So 8 plus 28 minus again 2. So the answer is what? 28 8 is like I think 360. So I what 28 2 here and 6 there, so and then subtract 2 also, so 12 answer. Yeah, so you can see that the 12 is the answer. Now the third condition, how many students play game 2 but not 1 and 3, so 2 is 67 total student who played the game, that game 2, and the who will play both is 26 plus 28 minus 2, and this is if it is this, then 26 twos are 26 twos are 52, 52 minus 2 is 50, so answer is oh, I'm doing something wrong, or in 67. Okay, if you subtract uh, 28 plus 26 is, oh sorry, yes, I have done miss, 20 54 is the addition of 26 and 28, and then minus 2 is 52, so 52 minus 67 is 15, so this is the answer and this is the solution. Okay. A certain number of men take 45 days to complete a work. If there are 10 men less, then they will take 60 days to complete the work. Find the original number of men. Okay. So, a certain number of men take 45 days to complete the work. So, we consider them as a n. Okay. Now, they take 45 days to complete the work. Okay. Now, there are 10 men less. Now the number of men is less than. Okay. Then they take 60 days. So find the original number of men. Simple. We have to do this. So the answer is nothing but just we change the side of them by first we have to 45 and a, then minus what 60 n, because 60 multiplied by this n, okay, and equal to minus 600. Yeah, equal to minus 600. I'm doing something wrong. If then the total days of completing the work is 60. Okay, then there's 16 minus, so 40. Yeah, no problem, I'm good. Okay, so the minus the minus 15 and is the answer, not answer, the solution of the equation, and here the minus 600 already. Okay, so when you solve this, so when 15 divided by 600, so 15 fours are, so the 40 is the answer. Sorry, the n equal to 40, so the d is the answer. You can, I think you understand. So n into 45 days, the total work done. Here also n minus 10 into 60, total work done. This is the formula. The formula is what? I explain the formula. If the suppose the n number of worker, n number of worker, and multiplied by the total the total number of days they work is equal to total work. This is the formula. Sorry, work. This is the formula. Okay. Oh, sorry. The what the work? Oh, sorry, work. This is the formula, and this is the solution. Okay. Now we do next question of Accenture. Yeah. So this is the next question. I'm also doing this question. These questions first times only. So the honest reactions is on the front of you. I never try to done that. Just I take the PDF and Here I am solving. Okay, so this is the question. Five men and 5 men and 10 boys can do a piece of work in a 30 days. Okay, and 8 men and 12 days can do a work in a 20 days. Then the ratio of daily work done by men to that of boy. Okay, so what they had done, the 5 men. Okay, so this is the 5 men considered plus the 10 voice is equal to can do the work in a 30 days. Okay, so can do the work in a 30 days. I have to do that, this thing. Total work is this now, because the formula is again the same, the number of workers plus the total number of days. So the number of workers this and total number of workers this is the M and D showing the efficiency of doing the work, man and boys, and 30 is days. Okay, is equal to the 8 men and 12 boys. Okay, so here again I write the same thing, 8 men plus the plus 12 boys, 12 boys. Now they are just asking the ratio, so we just solve this equation and we get the issue. Oh, ratio. Okay, no problem. So just we have to simplify them. So if you see that the 0 0 cancel. Now we have to just multiply 3 with all this and 2 with all this. So what we get? We get in this line. Okay. So 3 fives are 15m plus 3 tens are 30b. Okay, 15m and 30b. Okay, equal to what? 2 eights are 16 man plus and 12 are 24 boys. Okay, now we have to change them their sides, and if you can see that the man comes in at this side, so and boys goes to left hand side. Boys on left hand side and men on right hand side. We do so. The 30 minus 24 is 6b. Yeah, the remaining is and again equal there comes m is there. So now they need what they need, the man to that of boy, the man to that of boy. So the answer you already has seen that this is the answer. Okay, the answer, how did this is the answer, so this is the answer is then b, like b sorry, b comes on a m divided by b is equal to nothing but the sorry, I have to make this arrow. Yeah, so 1 divided by 6, because 6 comes, so sorry, b comes on this side, so yeah, 6 divided by 1. Yeah, this is, so you can see that man's to that of boy, so 6 ratio 1. Yeah, that's the answer. So now we try to do some next. Now try to do next question. Okay, what is the next question? Yeah, the answer is already they had done also with the same method. I think the same method it is. Okay, so now this question, these questions are of ratio and proportion. I think control plus C. Okay, control plus V. So this is the another second third question. Okay, 4 women and 5 men working together can do 3 times the work done by 2 women and 1 man together. Calculate the work of the man to that of the woman. This is also simple. What the 4 men, 4 women plus the 5 men together can do the work. Together can do the work the 3 times. Okay, so we consider 3. Okay, because it is 3 times the work done by 2 women plus 1 man, 2 women and 1 man together. Calculate the work. Now just we have to do the simple thing is we have to simplify this equation. Simple, the thing is this. So the 4 women plus 5 men. Okay, the 3 twos are 6, so the 6 women plus and the 3 man. So then we simplified them by changing the sides. So you can see that the men are on a left side and women are on a right side. So 5 minus 3, so 2m, and 4w and 6w, so it is again the 2 woman. So the answer is 1:1, because you are seeing that man and woman both are equally efficient. Okay. So this question is also so much easy. So now we try to do more questions. The answer is A. Okay, explanation here also given. You can see that. Now the second question. For the fourth question, yeah, and you can see that the level of Accenture are not so much high. The questions are very easy. Well, it's not much tougher. चलो Manoj can do a work in 20 days, while Chandu can do the same work in 25 days. Okay, so now the Manoj I representing with M, and the Chandu I representing with C. Okay, so the Manoj in a 20 days, sorry, 20 days, and the Chandu is on 25 days. They start the work jointly. Few days later, Suresh also joined them, and thus all of them complete the whole work in 10 days. All of them were paid total 1000. What is the shares of Suresh? Okay, no problem. So now the one candidate also comes, that is Suresh, but after some time, so we just make him to, that after some time only. So how much the total work, we have to see that. So the total work that can be possible is what, 100 unit is the total work. Okay. So how much the efficiency of them is, how much the efficiency it can be. So the efficiency can be 5, and the efficiency of the C is Chandu is 4. In single day he can do 5 unit work, and a single day Chandu can do the 4 unit work. Then only they can do the 100 unit work in a 5 days, the Manoj, and the 100 unit work in a 4 days, that is Chandu. Now but few days later Suresh also joined them, and thus all them complete the whole work in a 10 days. Now you can see here, you can see there the in few days later Suresh also joined them, and thus all the work is completed in 10 days. Okay, they both done the, they both what they both had done some works in a some day. Okay, then they complete the whole work in 10 days. A few days later, Suresh has joined them, and thus all them completed the whole work in a 10 days. All of them were paid to in what is the shares of Suresh. Okay, so the five plus 4 is the work M and C can do together. What? A few days later, Suresh also joined. So I don't know the, okay. So definitely they had done some okay, like the 5 plus 2 9, the total work is 100, so 9 into 10 is 90. So the I'm not getting the solution. Okay, the Manoj can do the work in 20 days, while the Chandu can do the work in 25 days. So, okay, the total work is 100 unit, no problem. They start the work jointly. A few days later, Suresh also joined them. Okay, the few days later. How much the few days they don't know. Okay. They had done some work friendly. But the few days later, when the completed the whole work in 10 days. Okay, so we consider a 10. Okay, we consider the 5. because 5 unit everyday work Manoj can do, and the 4 unit everyday work Chandu can do, and some work done by him also. So I think the 19 unit work is done by whom? The 19 unit, sorry, yeah, it is correct, I think. 50 plus 40, 90 unit work has done by, work has done by Chandu, and she has, the remaining work is done by C in a remaining days. So you can say that, but some work they had finished. One unit work is remaining, I think. If they work for the one day, I have to see the solution here. I have to see the Manoj 100. Okay, the efficiency 5%, 4%. The complete work only 90% of the work. Okay, in 10 days. So shares of Suresh. Okay, so the question is saying something that they started the work jointly. Okay, a few days later, because if they done the work at least for one day, only Manoj and Chandu, and then the Suresh joined. Then the 9 unit work they already completed in a single day. But according to their solution, they started, they all three started in the same day. So according to the solution, I will explain this, that the 90 unit work is completed by both these men, because both with Chandu and Manoj, and the remaining work that that Suresh have to done, Suresh have to be done is the remaining is 10 unit only. Okay, so if the only 10 unit work is the remaining, so you can see that the 100 unit work is the total, and the 90 done by the 90 done by the Chandu and Manoj, and the remaining is now 10. So the 10 unit work is done by the Suresh. So now the only out of 100 he was only done 10 unit. It means 1 by 10 work Suresh has done. Okay, the 1 by 10 the Suresh has work has done. Then the shares also 1 by 10. So if you make 1 by 10 of this number, then the answer is 100. Okay, this is little bit confusing according to this question, according to their language, because they start back jointly, and a few days later Suresh also joined them. But the solution they showed is that like they only work for a 10 days only, or you can, then 10 days they complete the work. Then it is little bit confusing for me, little bit. Okay, so this is the answer according to their solution. If you satisfied, then no problem. Okay, we do some next question. So this is the next question. Okay, sometime there can be confusing, but no problem. Okay, from that we have to no problem, because the question is that only which we can. I don't know what is. Oh, I'm not. Okay, no problem. Just I make it little bit. Yeah, here. No problem. Okay, okay. If it is not, no. Okay, okay. Yeah, this is the another question. So, Nagarjun lends 3,000 rupees of two of his friends. He gives 15,000 to the first at the 6% simple interest. Okay, he went to make a profit of 10% on the whole. The simple interest rate at which he should lend the remaining sum of money to the second friend is. Okay, simple, no problem. So the 10% the total profit he get. So it means the total profit is nothing but, I just have to make it, oh sorry, have to make it little bit big. Okay, the total profit is nothing but the 3,000 30,000. Yeah, it is 30,000. Yeah, it is 30,000. 30,000, 10%. 10% nothing but 1 by 10. So this is the total profit he made. The total profit he made is 3,000. Okay. Now, if he get 6% profit on a 15,000, if he get 6%, because the first 6% in simple interest. Okay. So this is okay. He lent on a 6%. Okay, so you can see that this uh, the 10% of whole. Sorry, 3,000 he get the total profit. The he want to make the profit of 10% on the whole. Okay, so the 6% interest he the 6% simple interest to the first at the 6%, and he gives. Now he wants to make the profit of remaining some money of this 2 seconds. So the 6%, what can be the 6% of it? If the 6% of 15,000. So the 10% is, I think, what? 10% is only 10. So this is the 10%. So then the 50 is the 5%, and 750 plus 150 is 900. So this is the value of, I think, sorry, 900. This is the value of 6%. If he if the total property need is 300, and 900 he already have 900, he already get the profit from by applying 6% simple interest. Okay, now the remaining is how much he need is nothing but the 300 minus 900, which is nothing but the 21. Okay, 21 is the remaining he need. Now the 21 he need from the remaining, from the remaining so from the remaining. So what is the remaining is this. Okay, remaining is this, because 50 already give to someone. Now he have only 50. So what is the 21,000 of what the percentage of 2100 to the 15,000? So the percent is nothing but this multiplied by 100 and sorry, divided by total. So the total is, this is the total. The 1500 is the total. So when you do the 20 cancel, 10 is also cancel. Now the 7, now the 5 remaining is the 5. Okay, so just I need some uh, the calculator. So the what, 3, you cut them with the 20 current to 10 is also cancel, only 200. So 70 divided by 5. Okay, so the answer is 14%. Okay, okay, for the 40%. He the money second, okay, from the said, so the interest rate should be 14%. This is the answer. You just try to match it. Yeah, 14% the answer. Now I try to explain you again. Okay, so this is the total profit he need is 10%, because he want to make the total profit 10%. So what is the 10% of 30,000? It's 300. Now it is from this, it is clear that how I calculate this. The fraction of 10% 1 by 10. So just I divide this number with 10, so I get the total profit which he want to gain is 3,000. Now, if the he give to the first friend with the 6% interest, it means he get the 6% profit in this amount, the half of the total amount. So the 6% of this amount is nothing but this what 900. Okay, this is the 6%. I just want to say that this is the 6%. Yeah, this is the 6%. Okay. Okay. Just you want to know that. Two zero. Okay, zero. So six zero one the six nine. Okay, this is the now. When you subtract this, now the the remaining remaining. Now, if when you subtract 900 from 300, it means the 2100. The remaining profit he wants to gain. What? How he gain the remaining? He when he give this money with some interest, that we don't know, that we have to find. So if we get how much this number is of percent of this number, the 21%, the 2100 is how much percent of 15,000. When you get that, so just to be do some calculation, we get that this number is a 20 and 14% of this number. This number is nothing but the 14% of this number. We get that, and then we simply just give the answer that he need 40% profit more. Okay, so this question is also completed. Now we do some more questions. Okay, this is the question. Mm-hmm. Okay. Portion of $6,600 is invested at the 5% annual return, while the remaining is invested at the 3% annual return. If the annual income from the portion earning is 5% return is twice that of the other portion. What is the total income from the two investment after 1 year? Okay. If the annual income from the portion earning if 5% return is twice that of the other portion, what is the total income from the two investment after 1 year? If the annual income from the portion earning a 5% return is the twice that of the other portion, what is the total income from the total investment after 1 year? Okay, so this is the question. So just we have to do twice that of the other portion. What is the total income from the two investment after 1 year? Total income. Okay, no problem. So the 6,600 he invested. Okay. Now he get 5% profit from first investment, and that is the double of the second investment. Okay, so as we considered, no problem. We considered six thousand. Okay, and it is the brute force and okay, and that is on. I just simply use the formula of what the simple interest, and the 5% is in the time is 1 year. Okay, time is 1 year. Okay, and the divided by 100 and equal to the what we get the two time of the or two time of the 3% of that. Okay, so okay, then the here the 3 and the time is again the 1 year. Okay, here also the 100. Yeah. The twice that of the other portion, because this is the other portion. This is the twice. So this I just multiplied by two. What is the total income from the two investment after 1 year? We need to find the total income. So first we need to find the n. It means how much he invested in the both portion. We need to find that. Okay, so when we try to solve this, so what the 100 cancel. Okay, and 5 into this, so the 5 into 6600, okay, minus 5n. What I had done, I just simply multiplied 5 with the whole equation, and here also I have to done the same thing, because so the n, so the 6n, but equal portion. Okay, yeah, this is the okay. Now I have to make it, so 6 5, 5 and goes on that side. So here the 5 into, I'm not solving this because I know that somehow we cut them or we divide them the number on another side, so it is nothing but the 11. When you change the side of this, so this comes in a positive in this side, and when we add them, so it is that. Now 11 is cut them, so 600, 600 into 5 is what? 600 with 5 is nothing but the 3000. Okay, so the n value is nothing but the 3000. It means the first portion, the second portion that he invest on the 3% interest is 3000. So the n value is 3000. Okay, here the n value is 3000. Okay, so as we know the now, it means $3000 he invests on a 3%, 5% with the remaining one. Okay, so what they are asking, what is the total income from that two investment after 1 year? Now just we want to know the total income. Okay, so simply put the value of n on the first equation. So it means the 6, if you invert then 3600, okay, multiplied by 5. I'm not taking 1 because no need to take it. Okay, that's the total they need, total profit they need. So just do this thing, no problem. 3000 multiplied by 3%. Okay, oh, sorry, and divided by 100 again. Do the things. What is the answer? 0 0 cancel, 0 0 again cancel. So the 5 6 are 30, carry 3, 5 6 the 15, so 180 plus 0 0 cancel, so 0 here, and 3 is the 9. So this is the answer is 0. Okay, 8 8 8 9 17, and here the 2. So this is the answer. Okay, I think you got. I think you got, because the simple thing I had done. Okay. What they invest in a two portion. The first portion be considered 6600 minus, and the second portion be considered n. They are saying that the second portion is if the first the profit he get in the first investment is the twice of the second investment. They're already mentioned in the question, so I do according to the question, and somehow I solve this. Okay, so this is the answer. Now we try to do some more questions. Simple. Okay. So we have done this. Now this not term of this question. Control plus V. The question we get. Okay. While calculating the weight of the group of men, the weight of 63 kg of by calculating the weight of the group of men, the weight of 63 kg of one of the member was mistakenly written as 83 kg. Due to this, the average of weight increases by half kg. What is the number of men in the group? So this is simple. Okay. Suppose there is a n number of mans. Okay, and their weight is uh, something. Okay. So now their weight is something. So now their average also is something. So one man that is of 63 kg. Okay, is written as nothing but that is written as what is written. 83 they written by mistake. Okay, it means the fault occurs because of because of this 20. Okay, there's the difference between their weight. Fault occurs because of that. But what they are saying, due to this average of the weight, what they are 63, the member on the mistake written, due to this, the average of the weight increasing by half kg. What is the number of men? Now this 20 is distributed to the all the members. Then only the average weight is increased by half kg. It means we have to just if the 20 kg you make it half of the 20 kg you have to distribute. So now the half kg you need to distribute to all of the member. It means how much you distribute, just the thing you have to divide it by 0.5. So the answer is nothing but the 40. When you divide it, just you can, I think, I just probably thinking that or expecting that you need the you have the knowledge of basic math. So just when you divide 20 by half, you get the 40, and this is the total number of men in a group. Okay, so this is the average question, average concept question, and the question is also average, but the concept on this question is also average. So as we try to match. Yeah, the foot is the answer. Foot is the answer. Okay, now we go to some more. Now we try to do some more questions. Okay, what is this? Control plus V. So this question we try to do. Okay, in a group of 8 boys, two men aged at 21 and 23 were replaced to two new boys. Due to this, the average cost of the group increased by 2 years. What is the average age of the two new boys? So no problem. The group of 8 boys. Okay, total boys are 8. Okay, we consider 8B. Now the two boys are replaced. So the total boys are 8. They have some their ages. Okay. Now the 21 and 23 were replaced with the two boys. And the total average age of the boys is increased, what the 2 year is increased. It means if the 8 boys age is increased by what 2 years, it means the total age is increased is 16, all of them. Okay, now but what they are saying, the 16 is the increasing in the age. We have to just you have to think and imagine that if you know the concept of average, it means like there is a 8, suppose a b c and d and e and f and g and h. These are the 8 boys having something different. Now I excluded these three. Okay, I excluded these three and add some another one. So the another h, I and J I added. Excluded this one, this is added. Now the group increased by 2 years. Matlab average is increased by 2 years. It means they have something, but they have something extra which they can give them also. In the average condition, what is in average? The quantity is distributed equally at everywhere for everybody. So it means they have something extra which they distributed to them also, and that is nothing but 2 years. It means 2 years they distributed to all the 8 members including them also, so it is 16. Okay, so now the average age of there, that the two extra guys which they included, so nothing but the 21 already have, they have old. Now the 16 also added. The 16 is nothing but the, now the 16 is also added. Okay, and the number of boys is what? 2. We need the average, so just divided by the number of count. Okay, so the if we add them, so we give 1 to this to 20, 22 is 44. 44 plus 10 is 44 plus 10 is 54. 54 plus 6 is 60 divided by 2, so the answer is 30. I think just I 1 to 10, so 0, 1, yeah, this is the answer. Okay, I think you got the you got solution. Or if you not get, then simply comment down your problem and your doubt. I will make the separate video on your doubt and reply to your comment. Okay, if you have anything doubt, so here the answer is 30. Okay, now they are saying the did not can't be determined. It means nothing but then also we try to get the correct answer. Okay, here. No problem. So this is a boat takes total 16 hours for traveling downstream from the point A to B and come back point C, which is somewhere between A and B. If the speed of the boat is still water is 6 km per hour and the rate of the stream is 6 km, then what is the distance between A and C? So yeah, it is little bit difficult. We try to do it. If the boat takes total 16 hours, the total time is nothing but the 16 hour. Okay, A to point B and come back to C, which is somewhere in the middle. If the speed of the boat still water is 9. Okay, so 9 is the still water. Still water. The speed of the water. Speed of water is nothing but the 9 km per hour, and the rate of stream is still water is 9. If the speed of boat in a still water, oh sorry, speed of water, not sorry, boat is 9 km per hour in a still water. It means this is the speed of boat, and the rate of steam is 6 km per hour. Then the sorry, speed of uh, steam, or you can say the water, is 6 km per hour. Okay, then what is the distance? So downstream he get, first downstream speed on, sorry, downstream is nothing but the 9 plus 6, which is 15 kilometer per hour. And similarly the speed on upstream is nothing but 9 minus 6. It means 3 kilometer per hour. Okay, it means that if a boat takes a total 16 hours to travel downstream from the point A to B and come back C, so still okay. So what is the distance between A and C? Okay, so from here we can calculate the total distance from that from A, the total distance that boat can travel. From this information we can count it, because we have a time also, we have a speed of operation bound, but we can't. We have a, if we know about the distance between A to B. Here I will give you the example on with explanation. Suppose this is the total distance. Okay, okay. This is the point A. Okay, and this is the point B. Sorry, B. Okay, and somewhere in between, this is the point C. Okay, so we can from it that B, the 16 hours, the total time we know. So we can say that from here to here it is downstream. So we calculate the it with the help of 15 kilometer watt. What we can calculate, we can't calculate nothing, because we don't know the how much time it take from going here to here and then here to here. The total time we know, but here the concept is downstream and upstream, so we can't say that how much time it take to go here, because we don't know the distance of it and we don't know the distance of it. Okay, so the answer is can't be determined. If they give some more anything of information like the 16 hour, okay, but if they give the time between this or the time between A to B, if they give, then we can give the answer. But if they not give the answer, then we can't do anything. So this question is okay, can't be determined. Now we go to some more questions. Okay, so now 11th question. Okay, now the 11th question. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah. So this control plus V. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah. So a boat takes 128 minutes less to travel to 40 kilometer downstream than the travel to the same distance upstream. If the speed of the stream is 3 kilometer per hour, then the speed of boat is in still water. So that can be determined. Okay. So 128 minutes less. Okay. So the time, time equal to what? Distance upon speed. The time is nothing but distance divided by speed. The difference between their time, the t is nothing but time we have the difference on it is t1 minus t2, which is nothing but which is nothing but 128. Okay, 128. Well, the time difference, this is the min less. Okay, now 48 is the total distance. Now it is in kilometers, so we have to convert it in 60 divided by 60, because then also we can, then only we convert a minute into hour. Now the time is nothing but the distance by speed, as I already know. So the speed is what? V plus, no, sorry, V minus 3 and minus. Okay, yeah, this is in a single bracket. Okay, now the 48 divided by V plus 3. What I have done here, this is the formula, this is the time formula for upstream, and this is the time formula for downstream. Time formula distance upon speed, so distance 40, 40 we are at speed is b plus 3 b minus 3 b upstream b minus 3 downstream is b plus 3. Now we if we try to solve if we will to solve this equation, then it's obviously we get the answer. So this is nothing but what if you divide it by what how much ha, 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 ha. Yeah, I think the 32 by 15. Okay, when you cross them. Yeah, and when you solve with them, so then also it is in the equation we have already formed. Yeah, the equation this equation we have already formed. I had done any mistake here. Yeah, this equation we have already formed. Yeah, this equation we have already done, and then now have to be solved. Now we have to solve this equation also. Okay, so okay, so by we try to do this, so nothing but the 40 we when you we try to take the LCM, so b plus 3 bracket minus 48 v minus 3. Okay, this is the LCM, and now the LCM we have already taken, so that the down portion b minus 3 and b plus 3 has come to this side. So then the a minus b into a plus b formula is nothing but the b square. So I square alternated with 2 minus 9. 3 square is 9. This is the solution. So I tried it to do this in pen and paper. So 32 by 15 into p square minus 9. You also do try to do it in like in 48b plus 48 into 3. Okay, plus 48 b minus sorry minus 48b plus 48 into 3. So this and this crossed, so 48.3, no problem. Now you have to cut them. So 4 8s are 32, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are, and 4 3s are. Okay, now what you get, the 2 you get b square minus 18 equal to 9 into 15. 2 b square is equal to 9 into 15 is nothing but the 9 into 2 minus 9 into 15 plus minus. Okay, so 9 9 common. When the 9 9 is common, so here the 13. I have done again some mistakes here. I have done again some mistake. I have done, yeah, 2 is here. 2 is here. So this 2, no, this is a square. Okay, the 2 is here. So this 2 is cancel. So because of that, there is a 9 only. Yeah, 9. And this is also cancelled. Okay, so this 2 is also cancelled because of this. So 9 into 15 is also okay. Okay, from here we have to do b square equal to 9 15 plus 9. So 9.16 b square. Here now the b value is 3 into 4, so 12. Yeah. So I had solved this equation and we get the b equal 12, and this is the speed of boat in still water. Okay, thank you. Now we do some next question. I don't know, something calculation mistake I have done, so because of that only the problem arises. And on, yeah, only that is the problem. That only the problem arises. Yeah, that only the, okay. Now this question we have tried to do. Okay, a alloy containing brass, iron, and zinc in the ratio of 2:3 ratio 1, and another container contains iron, zinc, and lead. In first container brass, iron, zinc, and the second container iron, zinc, and lead in a ratio of 5:4:3. If the equal weight of both alloy are melted together, then form a third layer. Then what will be the weight of the lead? The weight of the lead kg in the new alloy. No problem. Just we have to take the just we have to mix that ratios. So that suppose here the, okay, so 231 is 6, and here, so we have to multiply it here with um, 6, and in, okay, and then here 231 it 5 4 3 9 9 plus it 12. So multiplied it by 12, but you can see that they also crossed with each other, so that we have to multiply it, 2 in opposite and uh, 1 in here. So the new ratio what we get is nothing but 4 ratio 6 ratio 2, and here the we get the same one, 4 ratio 4 ratio 3. Yeah. Now you can see that we have now we have only simply add them. So first there is a what, the brass, okay, then the iron, then the zinc, and then the lead. Okay, the brass how much, 4 unit. Now the iron is 6 and 5, so total is 11, and the zinc is what, 2 and 4, so total is 6 is, and now the lead is only 3. Simple. Now what they asking weight of lead per now alloy, per new alloy, sorry. So the 3 and the total addition of 4 15 15 plus 6 21 21 plus 2 is 24, 24, which is nothing but the 1 by 8. So this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer, and the answer is C. Okay, now we try to do some more new questions. Okay, oh, sorry, I have done that. Okay, we have done that. 13 is okay. Now we do this question. So control plus C, control plus V. Okay, now what this asking question is asking, milkman makes 3 liter of free tap water with 20 liter of pure milk. If the cost of the pure milk is 20 per liter, then the profit of the when he sells all the mixture at the cost price. Huh? Okay. Okay. Now milkman makes 6 liter of Now a milkman makes 6 liter of free tap butter with 20 liters of pure milk. If the cost of the pure milk is no, 28 per liter, percentage of okay. So the easy. Suppose it is the 6 liter is initial. The 6 liter the water he makes which is free of cost. It means previously it has only 20 liter milk, but now after adding water, it is water but for the consumer it is just only milk because they don't know about it. So now the new milk quantity is this 26 liter. Now you can see that now the 1 liter now the if the 1 liter milk cost is 28. Okay, and he increases milk 6 liter with the add by the adding of 6 liter water. Okay, so now the 28 multiplied by 6. This is the total profit he gain. He gain. Okay, so the total what is 6 into 8 is 48. So 8 6 are 48. So carry 4 and 6 to the 12. 12 4 is 16. Okay, this is the total profit he had. Now, the profit of the milkman when he sells all the mixture of the cost price. So the total cost price, what should be the total cost price? Now the cost price is nothing but the 28 liters. So 20 multiplied by 28. This is the total cost. Okay, here I write the total cost. The total cost. Now this is the profit he gained because 6 liter water he added which is of free, but the 6 liter water he mixed with the milk. So now the cost of water also is 28. He sell it in 28. So the free profit he get, the free water he sell in 28 rupees. So the this profit he get because the selling price is also the cost price equal. So now the profit percent is nothing but the 168 multiplied by 100. Okay, and then it is divided by what? Divided by the total cost. Total cost nothing but 20 into 28. This is the total cost. So you can see that you can see that nothing but the 28 is nothing but the 6 because 28 when you divided by 168, so you got the 6, and the 20 divided by 100, so you got the 5, and the answer is 6 into 5 is nothing but the 30% profit. The answer is 30. So here you can see that the answer is this. So let start. I forget to start recording. So because of that, I unable to, or I forget to start recording. So that's why I not recorded the explanation of these questions. So I hear the solution I already had done. The only explanation is remaining. So I'm try to explain what I have done here. Okay. So the 10th question, which is also I forget to done, skip this. So here I take it. A boat going upstream takes 8 hours 24 minutes to cover a certain distance, while it takes 5 hours to cover 5 by 7 of the same distance running downstream. Then what is the ratio of the speed of boat to the speed of water current? Okay. So this is the question. Here the common term is what? The common term is distance. Okay, because the distance the boat goes upstream, and the distance boat goes downstream. Okay, the both the situation distance is same. Only the 5 by 7 is the difference. Okay, so here according to that, if the boat is going to upstream, it means speed of boat, v donating the speed of boat, and stream donating the speed of stream. So if an upstream gate, what happens, v minus stream, speed of boat minus speed of river. or speed of stream multiplied by the 8 hours and 24 minutes. So 8 hour is this, and plus 24 by 60, I convert 24 in a hour, 24 minute in an hour, so divided by 60. So this is the equation. But what they are saying, it takes 5 hours to cover 5 by 7 of the same distance. So we consider this whole the speed into time as a distance. So as you can see that this is the speed, and yeah, this is the speed. Sorry, just make it a little bit hard. Okay, and get some other colors. Yeah, this color is okay. Okay, so this is the speed. Okay, and this is the time taken. So it is whole as a distance, and the 5 hour he takes to cover the 5 by 7 distance. So this is total distance, and then we make 5 by 7. Okay, 5 by 7 of it, and then here also we take the speed that is in downstream, so v plus stream into by 5, because taking by 5 hours. So here also the in downstream, 5 hours he take with some downstream speed, take 5 by, and it covers 5 by 7 of the total distance. So this is the total distance, and then I try to solve it. And you also, if you have a knowledge of basic math, then you also can solve it, and you solve, and the answer is this, and the ratio we got is 11:1. So this is the answer of the 10th one. Now we go through the 14th. Okay, no problem. 14, the liter, the 144 liters of mixture containing milk and water in a ratio 5:7. How much milk need to be added to this mixture so that the new ratio is 13:21 respectively? Okay, now if you try to see in this question, try to observe one thing, that only milk concentration is change. Okay, means milk quantity change. First it is something, and then after adding some more milks, it is something. So you can see that the water is in all conditions same, because water is not added and not subtracted also. Yeah. So somehow first ratio is this, and second ratio is this. If somehow we make this 7, the 7 is the representing water, and if somehow we make 7 equal to this, because water is not changing, then we can observe the change in the milk ratio, and we can also observe the change in milk ratio. So for that we multiplied 3 with whole ratio, so 15 and 21, and now you can see that the what the 21 is same. You can see that the water ratio is same, only milk is changed. Okay, only milk ratio have something different. It means it means if you know the 144 liter mixture content, initially it is 144, and initially the ratio is this. Now it is this. So you can see that this plus this is the donated the total mixture of water or mixture of milk. It means 36 equal to 144, then the value of 1 unit is 4. From this first condition and this information we got that. Now if you see that the difference between the ratio is nothing but the 8. 8, okay, 8 unit. This is the 8 unit we get. The difference in the ratio of milk. First it is 15 and now 23. It means if we multiply 4 into this difference, then we get the quantity of milk that has been added. So the 32 we get, and this is the answer C. C is the answer. I think you understand very well what I have done. The base I done all the questions with the help of basic method only. That's why you not forget if you follow my methods. There are many short method, but for short method what happens, for every new condition there is a new short method developed. But if you know about the basics, if you know about the math from the deep, then no need to do with basic. No need to do with a shortcut method. So these are also shorts are yeah, these are so small. So now the 15th one. A shopkeeper bought a 30 kg of rice and 75 per kg, and 20 kg of rice per rate of 70 per kg. The mixed two brand of rice and sold the mixture at 80 per kg. Find his gain. So what they are saying, shopkeepers buy 75 75 rupees per kg, 30 kg rice, and 20 kg rice in 70 per kg. Okay. Now if he sells, if he sell, if he sell, if he sell the this rice mixture with 80 per kg, then how much percent he gain, or how much rupees he gain? No, sorry, percent not. How much rupees he gain? So simply just to make the total quantity how much we have, and the total we have is 20 plus 30 is 450, and this is of 75 rupees, this is of 70 rupees, and we make the total cost price is this. Okay, now the total cost price is this, and now the new one, when we mix it, 30 and 20, so it is 50, and we sell it with 80 per kg. So we sell it with 80. So the the selling price is 4,000. So you can see that we subtract 3650 with 4,000, it says the 350. It means we gain 350 rupees. Okay, so this question is also we have done, and now the 16th one, yeah, it is also so small. The cost price of 80 notebooks is equal to the selling price of 65 notebooks. The gain or loss percent is, they ask us the gain and loss. Now this is little bit complicated, little bit not, the answer is little bit complicated, question is not. So what is the answer? If 80 so let me consider the one value in which the cost price of that 80 notebooks, let me consider. So what we consider, the 1040, 1040 is the LCM of 65 and 80. Okay, so 1040 we consider as the cost price of the book, and according to that, when we divide it by 80, it means the 30 one book of 30 rupees, 13 rupees, sorry. Yeah, now the similar thing we do done here also. So here we can say that the one book selling price is 16 rupees. Okay, so you can see that the difference is 3. Now we calculate the how much percent of it cost price. 3 is how much percent of it cost price, so it is approximately 27. It is not correctly 27. Okay, so just I for confirmation I am also checking this. Yeah, let this question little bit conflict with the answers, okay, because I'm not getting the correct answer, so that's why I choose 27. Okay, so what, yeah, no, sorry, I've done some mistake. Okay, so what could be the mistake here? What could be the mistake here? You can. The question number is 16th. Question number is 16th. Yeah, this is the question number. Sorry, this is the question. We have done it. The cost per, yeah, it is 23, and answer is also I'm getting 23. Yeah, that's why I have to check it. Sorry for the inconvenience, or for the mistake, but you can see that the 3 is the what? 3 is what? 3 is the difference between the cost price and selling price. It means the gain percentage is 3, and cost price is what? Cost price is 13. So answer you get is 23. It approximate 23. It is not correct 23. Okay. So भी नहीं है. Okay. Now we go through the 17th one. Where is the 17th question? Yeah, this is the 17th. Take it. Mm, we take it from here. Change the color. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so this is the 17th one. Now we go through that. So, oh, sorry, 8 years ago, Pranathi age was equal to the sum of parent age of her one son and one daughter. 8 years ago, Pranathi's age was equal to the sum of the parent age, present age of her one son and one daughter. 8 years ago. Okay, so just I take him as a P equal to is equal to the sum of the present age of one son and one daughter. Son plus daughter. Okay. 5 years hence, the respective ratio between the age of her daughter and the son at time will be 7 ratio 9. देखो, this is the 8 years ago. This is the present age. This is 8 years ago. Okay, but now from here the 5 years. 7 ratio 5. No, sorry, 7 ratio 6. What son that time will be what the ratio between the 5 years hence the respective ratio between the ages of her daughter and her son, that times will be 7 ratio 6. If the Paranita husband is 7 years elder to her and his present age is 3 times the present age of their son, what is the present age of the daughter? Yeah, it is little bit complicated, so just try to do it. Okay, we try to do it. Okay, so first what they are saying, the 8 years ago, uh Kantha age was equal to the sum of the present age of her one son and one daughter. Okay, 8 years ago. Now the 5 years hence the respective ratio between the age of her daughter and her son, that time will be 7 ratio 6. Okay, 5 years ago from the present age. So present age we consider as S and D. Present age that we considered. Okay, and the difference between their ratio is 5. Okay, no, it means 5 years. Okay, if the Pranathi husband is 7 years elder to her and his present age is 3 times the present age of their son. Okay, so now if we consider the present age of the okay, the present age of P is equal to the 3 times of the sun. Okay, according to the condition. If the Paranithi husband is 7 years elder to her and his present age is 3 times the present age of their son. Oh, sorry, his husband. We are talking about his husband, so I take it as F. Sorry, H. His present age. Okay, time the present age of their son. What is the present age of the daughter? I don't know. Oh, why this? Okay. So according to this, what is the what the pranathi present age? So present age of pranathi is nothing but three option age of husband and it is 7 years elder. It means when we subtract 7, so this is his present age. Okay, okay. But 8 years later, we considered this is the his age 8 years later from suppose this is the present condition. Okay, this is the 8 years like 8 years before and it is 8 years 5 years after. Okay, here, so sorry, yeah, it would be so age 8 years ago. If my English is big, then I'm so sorry for this. What is the mistake here? The 7 is here. It's nothing but 3s minus 7 plus 8. Okay, I'm doing this. So according to this condition, age is this, and here we know this equation. Okay, so we put these values in this equation. So you can see that in the place of it, I put the s plus t, sons and daughter age, and here according to this his age is nothing but the 3s 8, it is nothing but the plus 1. So as we can, if we solve this equation, you can see that the 3s comes here, it is d minus 1 equal to 2s. Okay, so I have done some mistake in this question. I go through again with the starting. Okay, so let me understand it. 8 years ago, Pranatha age was equal to the sum of the present age of her one son and one daughter. 8 years ago, they are talking about 8 years past. Okay, present date of s plus d. Okay, and the 5 years hence, the respective ratio between of their ages of her daughter and her son is 7:6, so that we considered here. Okay, that also be considered here. If the Pranathi husband is 7 years elder to her, so and his present age is three times the present age of his son, their son. So the present age we consider s. Okay, so the 3s. Okay, and but the present age of Pradna is 7 years elder. Sorry, the what they were doing, 7 years elder to us. So 7, so we subtract 7, it means the present age is this. But now if they are talking about the 8 years ago, it means 8 years ago, it means we have to subtract 8. Yeah, so then it is what, if you subtract it, then it is nothing but the 8 minus what 8 15. Yeah, 15. Okay, then it is what, then this is not the correct one. So we make the side of that, so the d equal, so d equal, again here the 2s, and sorry, it is of minus sign. So again the 2s minus 15 we get. Now this is the relation between the daughter and son. Okay, but we know that we know that oh sorry, we know that after the 5 years their ratio would be this. Okay, after the 5 years, this is one equation. Okay, and now now what is we have to do is, now the 5, from here the 5 years, this is the ratio, it means s plus 5. Okay, okay, similarly d, sorry, this, oh, here we have to do this 7 year, 7 year, 7 dot d daughter. So the have to make it d ratio of s is equal to what, 7:6. But from here it is 5 years, from here it is 5 years, so we have to add 5 5. on both sides. So 5 here and plus 5 here. Okay, okay, okay. Now, when you solve this equation, you got one equation. You got one equation, that is 6d plus 30 equal to 7s plus 35. Yeah, this is the equation you get. Okay, and one equation we already have. One equation we already have. Okay, that is this one. This one equation we already have it. Okay, this equation we already have it. So from this equation we can see that the s plus d means s plus d is equal to nothing but the 3s minus 15. We adding 7 and 8, and the equation converted to what it is converted to what d equal what what sorry, yeah, you can see that the 2s equal, because this is goes this side, so 2s. Now the 15 goes this side, so d plus 50. Yeah, so from here we get the value of s. Now if we put that value in this equation, okay, in this equation, so we put it, we try to put that the value of 2s. Okay, so the equation is nothing but the 6, because we need the daughter's age, so that's why I'm taking the s value and put here 30 equal to 7 is here, and the value in the place of s we put d plus 15 divided by 2. Okay, and plus 35 is already there. Okay, so if we further simplify that, 35 30 goes in this side, so it is 5 only remaining. So 6d. Okay, so 6d equal to 7d. Okay, 7d plus 15 sevens are 105, and 2 is a division of it, so I multiplied this side, so it is 12. Okay, and the remaining is 5. Okay, now we have to make it more. So 7 goes this side, and what it is, 7 minus 12 is what? I think 5. Yeah, 5d. 7 minus 12. So only 5 is remaining, and this is what 5 105 1. Okay, the 505 plus 5 is 110. It is equal to b equal to 5 to the 10, and remaining what is remaining, 10 and 5 to the 10. Okay, what they are talking about, the value of d we get is 22. No, it is not 22. It is 22, or it is not 20, it's 23, I think. I had done something more, again some mistake I think I have done. Okay, so 5, what, 2, 5, 2, 5 is okay. No problem. Somehow it is, I'm getting 22, but it's not the answer. Yeah. So what is the mistake I had done here? Yeah, 35. Okay, yes, okay, 7. What? d plus 15 divided by 2, so 2 2 have to multiply. If 2 has gone, sorry, 30 I have changed the side, then it is remaining 5 only. If I make the 30 change side is a minus, so it is 5 only. Okay. And here the 70 and 15, that is also okay. But if I make it, yeah, I think this is the problem. Okay. Yeah. So if this is the problem, then it is what? It is 5 here. And now it is 3 here. What I have done mistake, if I want to change the side of this 2, so it is a, obviously it is 12, but this 2 multiplied in this also, like 30 minus 35 is 5, and 5 into 2 10. If you know the basic math, then you solve this equation, you got this 2 10 is, I had mistake somehow, and 23 is the answer. So now I try to explain this. It is too long, so because of that I have to explain it separately. Okay, somehow I had done, but this question is a little bit lengthy, so I take time to solve it. Okay, because I am also doing first time only this been. Okay, so 8 years ago Prathana age was equal to the son's present age and her son of the present age of her one son and daughter. Okay, sum of, okay, मतलब, pranati. So according to that, 8 years ago, so we take the present age of pranati also p. 8 years ago, so we subtract it by 8, and the present age also we take of son is s, and the present age of daughter is d. Now the 8 years ago, matlab p minus 8 is equal to son's sum of son's age and daughter age. Okay, so of their present age. So I take it this equation is one. Now what they are saying, 5 years hence, the respective ratio between ages of her daughter and her son, that time will be 7:6. So 7:6 of the ratio of their son and the daughter and a son. Okay, so this is the I had right here. Okay, so this is daughter, and this is son. Okay, this is the okay 8 years ago condition. Sorry. Yeah, this is the condition. So okay, now if the third condition, if Pranithi's husband is 7 years older of her and his present age is three times, so first 7 years older, so husband is 7 years old, elder than his present age. Pranati present its and husband's their difference between, only the difference between Pranati and his husband age is 7 years according to the question. So I subtracted 7, and three times the present age of their son. The three times the it is three times the present age of the son, and the minus 7, so we get the present age of Pranati. Now we know this condition. Okay, so we subtracted this because the penalty is this, so I put p here, minus it, so minus is this, so this we get one equation this. Okay, and one equation what we have, s plus d have it, and put the value of p from there here to here, so I got this equation. Okay, and then the second condition what, 5 years 5 years what 5 years later, the other a ratio of their ages is 7:6. So d ratio as daughter and son ratio. Okay, so we add s d plus 5 and s plus 5. Okay, and they are from in present age. I added 5 and then equal to their ratio. Again I make the one equation. Okay, and from here I get this equation, and from here I make the I somehow I extract the value of s. S value is nothing but x equal to d plus 15 by 2. So I had put there x plus 15 by 2 in this here in this equation. Okay, so when I solve this equation, I get 23, and that is the answer of this question. Okay, it is a little bit long, but no problem. You can done it, and you can solve it and you can understand also. If you not, then please comment me the question number and your doubt. I will make separate video on it. Okay, thank you. Now the next question. Yeah, this is the next question. Sorry. Okay. Hmm. Now this is the C. Sas marriage 8 years ago. Sas marriage 8 years ago. Today her age is 7 9 by 7 times to that time of marriage. Okay. So suppose we consider his present is S, but it is talking about 8 years ago, should be subtracted by 8. And now today her age is 9 by 7 times to that times of marriage. Okay, so today's age is nothing but sorry the what today's age is 9 by 7 of her that time age. Okay, time to that time of age. At the present his son age is 1 by 6 of her age. 1 by 6, so the present age is this. Okay, and his what the present age of his son. His son, son age is what 1 by 6 of his present age. What was her son's age 3 years ago? So we want to know the age of son 3 years ago. Okay. So we try to solve this equation. Okay, 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 okay. This is the son's age. So there I don't know. Sas married 8 years ago. Today her age is 7 9 times of her that time of marriage age. Okay. So suppose his present age is what? Considered as okay, the considered as okay. So somehow we solve this equation and we get the value of it. So what is this? 9 s minus 9 into is 72 equal to 7s. Okay, okay. Then we make it 7s goes to this side, so it is 2s only. And the 72 is of 72 only, but it is from minus to negative. So the value of s is nothing but the 2 divided by 72. So 3 6. Okay, the present age of SAS is 36 from the equation we get. Okay, देखो 8 years ago, so we subtract 8 and 9 by 7, so that is its present age. Okay, 9 by according. Now at the present age sun is 1 by 6th of the her age, so 1 by 6 is what 6. Okay, so the present age present age of sun is nothing but 36 divided by 6, so it is of 6. Okay, now what is was the her son's age 3 years ago? So when 3 years ago its age is son's age 3 years ago, 2 plus b is nothing but the 6 minus 3, so it is 3, and the answer is C. Okay, answer is C. So the answer is 2. Oh, what was the sun's age 3 years ago? 3 years ago. It is they are taking 4 here. The sun says 4 years ago, but they are asking 3 years ago. So the mistake is here. No problem. The answer is 3 is correct. They are taking 4 years ago, so that's why they are coming. Their answer coming 2. No problem. Just we take another question. Another question. They are all Accenture questions. Okay. Mm. Okay. The respective ratio, uh, the respective ratio between the present age of Mani and Dheeraj is X ratio 42. The respective ratio between the present age of Mani and Dheeraj is, so here we take as a Mani and ratio and Dheeraj. Dheeraj is what? X ratio 42. Okay. Mani is 8 years younger than Murali. Okay. Mani is 8 years younger than Murli. It means if the Murli age is something, suppose Murli age is this, okay, I am taking this, then you have to subtract 8 from it because it is younger. Murli age after 8 years will be 33. If the Murli age after 8 years 33, then its present age is nothing but 33 minus 8. Okay, so from there we get the money age. Okay, so what is the money age? The 88, 60, 60 minus 33 is 7 and 1, I think. Okay, this is the answer. Now, the difference between the Dheeraj and the Mani is same as the present age of Murli. Okay, so what is Murli present age? Uh, Present age of Murali is Murali. Murali is what? 33 minus 8, which is 25. Okay, 25. Yeah, this is the presented. And what they are, the difference between the Dheeraj and the Mani? It is same as the present age of Murli. Okay, so here the difference they know is 25. Okay, okay. What is the value of x? Now they want the value of x from here. What is the value of x? The Dheeraj, the difference between the Dheeraj and the Mani age is same as the present age of Murli. Okay, so you can see that 17 is the age present age of what? Mani, and the 25 of their difference. It means Dheeraj age is nothing but the 17 plus 25. It means 5 7 12, so 2 1 is carry, so it is 3 and 4. This it is 8 years younger, so 25 minus 8 is 17. Yeah, it is okay. What? Mm, but what it is? Yeah, simple. Oh, yeah, we get the answer. If the 42 and 42, it means D representing 42. It means here the 17. D is the answer. Yeah, you get it or not? If the Dirac age is present is 20, 42, and the ratio is also 4 to 2, it means 1 unit equal to 1 unit. Yeah. Then it means it's a 17, and so 1 unit is equal to 1 unit, then the 17 unit also equal to 17 units. So it has the 17. So answer is D. Yeah, so you can match it. The answer is D. X equal to 17. Now the 20th one. Yeah. Now we have to uh, B. Okay, and I have to make this line. Yeah, एक्सप्लेनेशन भी हमको नहीं चाहिए. सॉरी, explanation भी हमको नहीं चाहिए here. Yeah, so this is the new one. So we try to do it. Okay. So Revant present ages three times the sun's present age. Okay. Revant present ages three times his sun present age. So his present age be because R is equal to sun's present age be because this. Okay. Three times his son's present age. And four-fifths of his father. Revant present ages three times his son's present age and four-fifths of his father. थ्री टाइम्स और उसका जो फादर जो है उसके उसकी एज का फादर्स एज का फोर फिफ्थ सो द 4/5. The average of the present age of all of them is 62 years. Okay, the average age of the present age of all of them is 62 years. What is the difference between the Rena's son's present age and the Rena's father present age? Okay, so we know that the R plus S plus F is equal to what? 62 into 3. We know that. Okay, and here we know that this condition also, if we put them with each other, okay, so we get the value of it. Okay, so from this equation we can say that 3s is equal to, okay, 3s is equal to f 4/5. Okay, it means s is equal to what? S is equal to f4 by 15. Yeah, we get the value of s. And in terms of sorry, if we get the value of f in terms of s, then it is more good. So we make it that. Yeah, so the value of f in terms of s is 5 multiplied here, so it is 15 s divided by 5 multiplied here divided by 4. Simple. Okay. So we get the value of f in terms of s, we get the value of r in terms of what? S. Yeah, and we already have the s. So here, if the value of r is 3s plus s plus 15 s by 4, which is nothing but the 62 into 3. So we do further it, so we take the LCM of 4 and change its side, so it is nothing but the uh, 12s plus 4s plus 15s equal to 62. Yeah, 62 into 3 into 4. Okay. Okay, so when we add the 15, the 16, so 16, 16, 15 is 31. 31s equal to nothing but the 62 multiplied 3 multiplied 4, so it is nothing but the equal to the 61 to the 6 31 to the 62. So that's cut, so s equal to 2 cross 3 cross 4, so it is equal to s is equal to 8 8 is the 24 or 24. Yeah, 24, so s value is 24. So from that, if we put s value here, so 24, then we get the value of f here. Yeah, put it here. F equal to what? 15 15 multiply 24, yeah, divided by 4. So it is 4 8s are 4 4 4 4. So 6 4 are 24. 6 into what 6 into sorry, the f value 6 into what 15, so 90. 90, okay, this is the value. And what they are asking, what they are difference between the Ranti son's present age and the Ranti father's present age. So 90 and 24, when you subtract 90 from 24, what you get? The 66 you get. Yeah, this is the answer. C is the answer. Yeah, I will write here. Father minus son is 90 minus 24, which is equal to 6, and again 6. Okay, so you can check here also. So 66 is the answer. Now the 21. Yeah, this is too easy. So we try to do it here only. And this is very easy. So the the 36, okay, 36 by 100 percentage means upon in 100, okay. Of means multiplication, nothing, and it is nothing but the 945. Yeah, and again it is minus of what the 945, it means it's multiplied by all of it. Yeah, 945, and it is of 945. Okay, 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 first we have to make it. And then the 26 divided by again 100, no problem. And off again here, so again the bracket I make here, which is of 765, and the plus 17.7, and they are asking the answer. What is the answer here? So what could be the answer here? So there is no problem. We make it 36 divided by into 36, so there's nothing but the 36 multiplied it by 9.45 minus, also I do the same thing, 6 multiplied by 7.65, okay, and plus 177, sorry, dot 7. Yeah, when you simplified this equation you got the answer, so do yourself, it is too easy. I don't want to waste times. Okay, so now the new one. Yeah, this is the explanation. Now this question, control plus C, we can do this here only, control plus V. Oh sorry, oh sorry, oh sorry, oh sorry, oh sorry. Yeah, so we try to solve here. What under root, this is the all thing, okay. So first we have to divide 456 divided by 12. So we can see the 12 1 the 12, 12 to the 24, 12 3 the 36. So what is remaining? 9. 96 is remaining. So uh, so 12 eights are 96. Okay, so 3 8 is the answer. Now the plus 142 and minus 111. We have to. So what could be the answer? What could be the answer? So when you add them, so what 0 280 and 448 and 1 is there, and now we have to minus 111. So when you make it, so 10 minus 1 9, and 6 and 1, so When you make the root of it, so the answer is ANS. The answer is 16, no, sorry, 13. Okay, this is the answer of this question. Is very easy. So now the video is complete, and the all question in a single exam that can be possible we had done. Okay, thank you.